So first of all, we're going to focus on customers. Anyone who purchases a trade pack, remember, a portion of that trade pack is going to go to a product sale we call the Academy. And the remaining 70% is going to go into a trade pool deposit where those assets will be traded on your behalf and you will see gains. In fact, if you take a look at the paragraph at the top of your screen right now, with Bear Capital, you can earn 2 times the value of the trade package that you currently hold. So for example, if you got started at a $300 trade package, you can earn $600 in Bear Capital. Bear Capital comes from 2 sources. One is from the trading activity using the EAs that the staff manage on a daily basis, and 2 from a bonus called a force matrix bonus. If you want to maximize your gains and earn bull capital, well, that is something that you will have access to by sharing CFX with a minimum of 1 other person. And you can see in the middle paragraph in the center of your screen, that opens up a number of other bonuses as well. And that's going to drive you towards earning an additional 2 times the value of your trade package value. So if you, for example, are using a $300 trade package, instead of seeing a $600 total from Bear Capital, you also see an additional $600 or a total of $1,200 from Bull Capital. So $1,200 from your $300 starting position. And of course, as you move into larger trade packages, for example, a $5,000 trade package can make you $10,000 in Bear Capital and an additional $10,000 in Bull Capital. At the bottom of your screen, you can see rank levels, and that's focusing on that leadership program points that we talked about in the trade package ladder. And we'll focus on that again as we wrap up the end of this presentation. So we're going to give you a 30,000-foot overview right now so that all these terms make sense and you can understand where all your potential gains are coming from. So in this example, you can see on the left-hand side of your screen is a $1,000 trade package icon. That's representing you purchasing a $1,000 trade package. Now, at the top of that, you can see Bear Gains, Bear Capital. Remember, that's representing 70% of the value of any trade package. In this case, 70% of the value of a $1,000 trade package is $700 that's working on your behalf in the global Forex market. Now, that gain or those gains continue to accrue day by day, week by week, and month by month until you've earned a maximum of $2,000, which is 2 times the value of your trade package. And then below that, you can see Bull Capital, and that's the remaining 30%. Now remember, that 30% is going to a product sale. 30% of $1,000 is $300. Now you'll notice that that $300, 100% of that is being dispersed to members. Half of it in the form of a fast start bonus and the other half in the form of a team building bonus called a unilevel. And those bonuses can also continue to accrue until you've earned an additional 2 times, or in this case, $2,000 from a $1,000 trade package. So this is going to put you in one of 2 positions where you've maximized on the Bear Capital side, or you've maximized on the Bear and the Bull Capital side. $2,000 in gains or $4,000 in gains. Now, that's going to bring you to a bit of a crossroads. You'll have 3 options when you reach that space. Option number 1 is that you can pull out all of your gains, you'll pay a withdrawal fee, put the rest in your pocket, and walk away from the platform. Option number 2 is that you can do exactly the same thing, withdraw all of your gains, pay a withdrawal fee, and you may choose to purchase another $1,000 trade package. Now, the reason you may choose to do that is, well, you were profitable the first time, so you may want to repeat that process. There is a third option, though, and that third option is what members have been adding in the chat just a moment ago, and that is that you can take the next step up the trade package ladder by withdrawing your gains, paying a withdrawal fee, and taking a portion of your gains and taking that next step or any other step in the upwards direction. So, for example, if you don't recall from that first 5 different rungs on the trade package ladder, the next step after $1,000 is a $2,000 trade package. Now, that begs the question, of course, why would one choose to do that? Well, if 70% of the value of your trade package is being traded on your behalf, you would be trading $1,400 on a 2K trading package versus $700 on a 1K trading package. So it stands to reason why you would have the potential for larger daily trading gains. And of course, that's the way it works. You would have that potential. And you can continue to climb the trade package ladder from 3,000 to 5,000 to 7,000 and 10,000 and beyond. And each step that you take, of course, is going to do 2 things. First of all, it's going to allow you to have a larger amount that's being traded on your behalf. But secondly, of course, it's going to trigger more product sales as you purchase the next section of the academy, of the online university, triggering more bonuses to go out through Bull Capital. So let's take a look at each one of these in a little more detail. We'll focus on trading results first because it's something that every single one of you will benefit from. Now, remember, trading is something that the company focuses on. It's one of their areas of expertise, that and the academy sale. So Monday to Friday, every single trading day, winning trades and losing trades are added together. Now, at the end of the day, the company is going to take its commission for performing its activities, its trading behavior. That's where the company is earning its money, why it's profitable. In fact, that's why it can give away all of the money that is accrued through academy sales to those two bonuses in Bear Capital. It's because the company is actually profitable through trading activities, not through the retail sale of those products. At the end of the week, all of your trading gains for the week will then go into a wallet in your back office where you can remove or withdraw those trading gains, Monday to Friday accumulated trading gains. Now, at the center of your screen, you can see a circle and it says up to 15% per week. This is a cap. So the most that you'll see or realize in a single trading week is 15%. You'll never have a week that pays you more than 15%. Anything over 15% simply goes to the company. That's a fee that they charge for performance. But 15% is an absolutely massive trading week. Okay, so let's proceed then to the bonuses. Remember the two bonuses that come from a product sale. And that product, of course, is called the CFX Academy. So of that 30% that goes towards a product sale, each and every trade package, 100% of that 30% is shared with members. And that's why it says 50% fast start bonus, because half of that gain goes out in the form of a fast start, and then the other half goes out in the next bonus we're going to discuss called the unilevel. So what's very compelling about this fast start bonus is that anytime that you share CFX with somebody else, you're going to earn a fast start bonus. If we use the $1,000 trade package, that example that we used in the overview slide, $1,000, of course, 30% of that is going to a product sale, and half of the 30%, or 15%, is going to the sponsor of that individual as a fast start bonus. So, for example, if I got involved and you were the one that recommended CFX to me, you would earn a $150 fast start bonus when I get involved in a $1,000 trade package. Now, here's where this gets interesting, though. If I choose to climb the trade package ladder, for example, I climb from 1,000 to 2,000. And from 2,000 to 3, and from 3 to 5, and so on and so forth. Every single time that I make a jump, the difference between my existing trade package and the new one, well, that's eligible for you to earn a fast start bonus from. For example, I'm jumping from 3,000 to a $5,000 trade package. That's a $2,000 jump. You'll make 15% of that $2,000 as a fast start bonus. So this is a bonus that's reoccurring. You're going to earn this bonus over and over and over as those that you've referred CFX to decide to take the action and climb that trade package ladder. The other bonus, the other 50% of the product sale, goes to a bonus called the unilevel. Now you can see from this graphic, levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 are automatically unlocked as soon as you join the company. However, levels 5 and 6 are unlocked when one reaches the rank of executive. Levels 7 and 8 are unlocked when one reaches the rank of manager. Level 9 is unlocked when one reaches director. And when one reaches President's Club, level 10 is unlocked. This is a 10-level bonus. In fact, if you take a look at levels 1, 2, 3, 4 at being 10%, that's 40%. Levels 5 and 6 at 20%, that's at another 40%. And levels 7, 8, 9, and 10 at 5% each, that's 20%. And that's a total of 100%. So for every dollar that goes into this bonus, well, you know exactly where that dollar goes. So how does one ultimately put cash in their jeans through the unilevel bonus? Very simple. Anytime that you refer anyone to CFX, well, that individual, if they joined through you, they live on your level 1. Now you can have one person on your level 1, 3 people, 5, 10, 100 if you want, or even more. It's entirely up to you and how many people you want to share CFX with. So first of all, when someone gets involved as an example of a $1,000 trade package, you remember that fast start bonus was $150 or 15%. Well, there's another 15% that's earmarked for the unilevel. So if I got involved, for example, and you were the sponsor, and $150 from my $1,000 trade package is going into this bonus, and I'm on a 10% level for you, you would earn 15% or 10%, $15 of the $150. If someone else sponsored me deeper into your unilevel, perhaps I landed on your level 5 or your level 6, well, that's a 20% payout level for you. So the $150 contribution that I made when I purchased a $1,000 trade package, you would earn 20%. 20% of $150 is $30. Or if I was placed by someone else deeper into your organization, levels 7, 8, 9, or 10, you would earn 5% from that. 5% of my $150 contribution would be $7.50. Now, where this becomes, again, very compelling on the bonus side is this is not a one-time bonus for you. Every single time existing members climb the trade package ladder, it triggers another contribution to the unilevel. So new members are contributing to your unilevel, and existing members that are climbing that ladder are also re-contributing to your unilevel. This creates an opportunity for you to create a leveraged income source far larger than anything you could do on your own. Because as friends share with friends and they continue to share with others, your unilevel numbers continue to grow, and you're earning a small piece of the activity from every single person that's participating inside your unilevel. The other thing that's very noteworthy is President's Club Ambassador and Global Ambassador together create a bonus called a global bonus. Now, this bonus, if you take a look at the lines of text in the center of your screen, the global bonus affects level 11 to infinity. What that means, of course, is as your business continues to grow organically, as friends share with friends who share with friends and so on, you have an opportunity to capture and earn from all of that activity, even when it grows beyond your level 10. So level 15, 20, 30, and beyond, you will be able to capture benefits from that because you're participating in the global bonus when you reach President's Club and beyond. Now, we'll talk about how you reach these ranks in just a couple of minutes as we wrap up. Okay, so the last bonus for us to discuss is something called a forced matrix. Now, you can see this bonus is already a little bit different from the graphic on the right-hand side of the screen and all the gray arrows with people dropping in all over the place. You have people potentially dropping in from above you and people dropping in any number of places because the structure of this bonus is dramatically different from the one we just finished talking about. If you recall, on the unilevel, I said you could share CFX with one person or 3 or 5 or 10 or 100 or more. That means that for any number of persons that personally get involved with your referral link, they're all living on your level 1. So you have unlimited opportunity for growth on your level 1 in the unilevel. That is not the case in your forced matrix. If you'll notice, this graphics has 3 people on your level 1, and you can never fit more than 3 people on your level 1. So this bonus grows out in multiples of 3. In fact, if you take a look at your level 1, each person on your level 1, of course, has 3 people on their level 1. And that you can see they've added those 3 people. And in some cases, some of those people have come from elsewhere. So because of the fixed and rigid structure of this bonus, it means that you can, depending on your placement, depending on how active the team that you're a part of with is, you can have individuals that drop down into your matrix from above, people that you don't know. And as they in turn refer others, you can see growth in that bonus. Now, there's a reason why this was structured in this way, because the first 2 bonuses are funded from a product sale, the Academy. But this bonus is not funded from the Academy sale. This bonus is funded from the withdrawal fee that we talked about earlier on the overview slide. There's a 20% withdrawal fee anytime that anybody makes a withdrawal from CFX. And it's that 20% withdrawal fee that funds 3 separate bonuses. And those bonuses are listed on the left-hand side of your screen in the second paragraph. 50% of that withdrawal goes to the bonus you see in front of you, the matrix. 10% of that withdrawal fee goes to a matching bonus, and the remaining 40% goes to a leadership rank bonus. So let's talk for a moment about how this bonus pays you. The reason, first of all, for the rigid structure is that the owners of the company wanted to create a bonus where customers, remember, customers never share CFX with anybody. They are simply involved to potentially earn trading gains through successful trading activity. That's all they're interested in. But even customers get a position in the matrix. And if it just so happens that people get dropped down into that customer's matrix, and those individuals in their matrix are making withdrawals, that customer can profit from this bonus as well. Why is that? It's because every single member of the company are making withdrawals. So they're contributing to the bonus, and therefore the owners of the company wanted to give every customer and every business builder alike the same opportunity to make money from this bonus. Okay? So let's talk about how one earns. Let's use an example from a person on your level 7. If you notice the green numbers on the right-hand side of the graphic, they're all in percentages: 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 10, 30, 20, 10, 10. If you add all those percentages together, that also adds up to 100%. So every dollar that goes into this bonus, you know exactly how that dollar is being sorted and shared. All right, so let's use an example of one person in your level 7 that's making a $1,000 withdrawal. Now, remember, a $1,000 withdrawal and a 20% withdrawal fee. A 20% withdrawal fee of $1,000 is $200. And half of that $200 is going into this bonus, the matrix, okay? So that means $100 into the bonus from a $1,000 withdrawal. Now, on level 7, the green number to the right says 30%. That would mean that one person making a withdrawal on your level 7, the $100 that goes into the matrix, you would earn $30 of that $100. The remaining $70 would be shared amongst the other 9 levels of this matrix. Here's the cool thing about this bonus is over time, as more and more and more people join your matrix, and as they continue to make more withdrawals, you will see a recurring income come to you from your matrix through those withdrawals. Where this really gets exciting over time, though, is as those individuals using this platform start to experience larger degrees of success, well, their withdrawals are going to continue to grow. And as their withdrawals grow, the benefit to you when they make those withdrawals will also grow. Okay, now this is the matching part of the forced matrix. You can see in the circle near the center of the screen, 10% personal matching. So here's the easiest way to calculate this. Remember, every single person that you personally referred to CFX, you're going to receive a 10% matching bonus. Here's a simple way of looking at it. If you're receiving a fast start bonus from someone, you're also going to receive a match of their matrix earnings. So for example, if someone's earning $3,000 each time their matrix runs, well, you'd earn 10% of that. You would earn $300. Now, how one accesses? Well, you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, the various lines of text in color. You can see these are the various trade packages that unlock additional levels of the matrix. Now, remember, the matrix is 10 levels deep. So for example, if you're trading on a $2,000 trade package, you have unlocked levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the 10 levels of the matrix. If you're trading on a $10,000 trade package, you've unlocked levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And by the time you upgrade over time to a $30,000 trade package, well, you've unlocked all 10 levels of the matrix to match